Hello guys, it's me Ethan. Today we are going to talk about YouTube not banning heat shorts. So recently there has been trends of people posting emoji cat heat. And these emoji cat heat shorts are affecting kids that are under 13. Thousands of people on TikTok and YouTube are doing these trends. Some of them aren't even censored or blurred. And honestly, it is very disgusting. I have a question for y'all weird creators. Why do you do this? You should be ashamed of yourself. You should know that it is disgusting and is very inappropriate.